Hello guys. Uh, it's been a long time no see, but we are finally back, and I have this volatility 50 trade recap, and I'm gonna show you how we managed to catch this trade here. So this is an attached screenshot on your right here. Is an attached screenshot of our executions, as you can see here. So the very first thing that you need to know as a trader, guys, like I always say, uh, you need to know where price is going. That is the first thing that you need to know as a trader. So what happened here is one, price was sitting on this area here. Let me delete these annotations. So I was saying price was resting on this daily fair value gap, and price resting below, within this daily fair value gap means we are likely to go for a low, right? So this is a low which was acting as my next draw on liquidity, which is this 25 May low here. This is a low which was acting as my next draw on liquidity. And price taking this internal range liquidity or this fair value gap here, one, you need to know or to see how price reacts within that fair value gap. One, this is consequent encroachment. This dotted line represents consequent encroachment of our daily fair value gap. So a tag on this daily fair value gap, we saw price rejecting 50% of this fair value gap, which is what we want to see. And then we had to do what? To drop to lower time frame to look for a trade to look for a lower time frame setup actually. Okay. So one, every time when we are bearish, smart money will always look for buy stops to sell. My students are going to kill me for this, but every time when you are bullish, smart money will always look for a high to sell. So one, pay attention to this high here. This high represents what? Buy side liquidity, or we can say buy stops. Buy stops. And one, immediately after paging these buy stops here, what happened? Price went down. What does this orange area or yellow highlighted area represent? A fair value gap. And within that fair value gap, we saw buy stops being taken. And after these buy stops are taken, we have collected buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity taken means price will now go forward for sell side liquidity. Okay. After paging these buy stops here, we saw price leaving behind this bearish PDRA, which is an indication that price is willing to go forward for sell side liquidity. One, this bullish PDRA or order block failing turns into a new selling area. Guys, price reaches back into what? This fair value gap. Look at how price reacted within this fair value gap. What happened on daily? Price didn't close above consequent encroachment of our daily fair value gap. On our 1 hour time frame here, we saw price not closing above 50% of our fair value gap. Okay. On the right side of your screen is an attached screenshot of this volatility V50 before it unfolded. And I did discuss this with my students, as you can see. Okay. Tag on this thing here. One, we had what you call single candle double page. Because here, price went for sell side, and then it went for what? It went for buy side liquidity. And then after that, I had to take a trade here on this candle. And then as price pushed lower, it took this low here. And after taking this low here, what PDRA was left behind? What PDRA were we going to use to keep on pushing price to the downside? Here, this PDRA here. Again, look at how price reacted within this PDRA. Did it close above consequent encroachment? No. Okay. And then price pushed lower, and look at this. A failed bullish favor gap. This candle closed below it. Yes, it closed below it, turning this into what? An inverted fair value gap. This candle repriced back into this PDRA. Did it close above consequent encroachment of this inverted fair value gap? No. So this is an indication that this thing is going to hold price lower. This black candle or bearish candle revisited this inverted fair value gap, didn't close above it, and then we had this push to the downside, taking out our overall next draw on liquidity. Simple. No need to complicate things. You just need to know where price is going. That's all. And I hope that you learned something from this video. And please subscribe, like, and share with your colleagues. Again, guys, a quick or an update on mentorship pricing. From the 1st of July, mentorship will no longer be 50 USD, which is equivalent to 700 Pula. Mentorship will be 100 USD Google rate from the 1st of July. That is what I wanted to tell you guys. And signal services, no change, still 300 BWP or Pula. Thank you for watching. See you next time.